I'm Angela, assistant manager at Wyand Dental Lab. We are here today with Tom Wyand, owner and CDT of Wyand Dental Lab. Been around for about 33 years, but we just have a few things we want to talk about. We have gotten a lot of questions lately about our full arch restorations, but more specifically, how our grammetry workflow works in situations like that, restoring a case that maybe we didn't do. I know you said you got a call last week. I've gotten like 4 or 5 from people that don't normally do them with us. So
yeah, that and like the question we get is we'll walk through a treatment plan with the grammetry workflow, and we get to the end, and the question is, why is this better? Why are we doing this? And so, what are the benefits of this versus a traditional workflow? And there's 2 phases to talk about: either temp to final or the provisionalization at surgery.
Yeah.
And whether we're talking about an FP1, which is going to be a full bridge, no tissue, or an FP3 that will have tissue. One of the biggest benefits of day of surgery is with a grammetry workflow, we take the scans, and then in the design, we can more accurately control developing a sulcus for an FP1, developing those papillas, and you can compress tissue a precise amount, 1.5 millimeters, 2 millimeters, whatever you want, versus traditional analog method, you would manually be adjusting models, way more labor intensive, a lot more time. Whereas day of surgery, we can take a scan, we can merge a design that we did ahead of time and control all those contours like we talked about, and then mill out a provisional and deliver to a patient either same day or next day.
Because when you do a traditional conversion, as good as you might do it and as much time as you might take to do that, I mean, you're still not going to get the contours exactly how you want them.
Things happen at surgery. Buccal plates blow out. The interproximal bone may have been higher. There's things that you can't really account for that happen day of surgery, that it's much easier to get records after the surgery is done and then merge your design, and it's much more efficient.
Totally.
And then same with the full arch FP3, all on 4. We can compress tissue an exact amount, develop whatever contours you want on that tissue more precisely than a chairside conversion. And then temp to final, it's just way easier to take records. You're not putting impressions, huge impressions in the mouth. Patients not gagging all over the place.
And we all know people can relate to that based on our
absolutely.
the other video.
Exactly. So it's just a way cleaner, way more efficient, less steps, much more control over the final outcome of the product.
Yeah. Well, and not to mention just that, but if it's a case we didn't even do, right? Patient moved. I got a couple of patient moved from across the country. They didn't like their restoration they had done elsewhere. It was done a long time ago. There's better options now, right? Like all the zirconia options, and they want to do a restoration with us. So the restorative then calls and is like, how do I do that? I'm sure you need impressions. I have no model work. And I was telling you that I feel like such a liar when they call me, and I'm like, all we do is send Katie out for a scan. And
we go out, we take a scan. Next appointment's a try-in, and 99% of the time, we're going straight to finish. There's not preliminary impressions, verification jigs, try-ins, and way more efficient workflow. And it's just, it seems so much easier, and it really is.
Yeah, because all it is it's the grammetry scans. It's us designing the prototype and getting them the prototype, which is the try-in. If all is well, then they send all that back, and we go to final with whatever restoration they want. Now, we still, though, especially if we didn't do the case, we should still probably evaluate for space and all those things and capabilities. But
as typical part of the design, we're always going to evaluate that. And if there's any changes that have to be made with abutments or anything like that, we would evaluate that as well. If there's a case that we didn't do initially.
Essentially, though, this workflow has made it so much easier, where you're cutting out impressions, V-jigs, custom trade, all those things that you would traditionally have if the patient didn't have their model work with them, or, office losses or whatever it is, that now we can do this in still a quick 2-3 step process.
Right. And in addition to that, you're saving all the cost of all those ancillary products versus just
and chair time.
Just the grammetry scan.
Chair time, probably an hour of chair time alone on the first appointment?
Yeah, at least.
Awesome. So if you are interested in that workflow, if that sounds like something that, you like to save time, you like to save money, you like efficiency, and you want to help your patients the best way you can, give us a ring. We can set up an appointment.